Finding your Afterpay card number is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, you have to follow these simple procedures in order to find my Afterpay card number. So, open the Afterpay website or visit Afterpay mobile app. Now, log in to your Afterpay account. Here, scroll down to the card section. This is located in Account Settings. Here, find your Afterpay card number along with other relevant card details. After this, take notes of your Afterpay card number so that you can use it for future reference. Here, doing so, you can locate your Afterpay card number easily. Locating your Afterpay card number easily offers several benefits, especially when you need to use the card for making purchases or managing your financial transactions. The ability to locate your Afterpay card number easily ensures convenience when making online or in-store purchases, saving you time and effort.